Good morning. We're in Canyon Cove, checking out to go to Cavite na. So Dad, what are you gonna say?
I want to go home.
Where? In the condo or yours?
Well, I live there. I don't live there.
Sungit. Okay, rin ko. Picture tayo. This is how Canyon Cove looks like in the morning. Following day. Very calm. This is pag hindi nagbabagyo. How's your experience, Ty?
Tired.
Did you like it?
Here?
Hmm?
In this canyon?
You thank you to your sponsor. Thank you again, Hazel.
Yes.
For letting us stay here for night. Hey, stopping for breakfast. Right there. Davies. Perfectly daw. What do they have?
Yung mga taksilugan niya.
Ha?
Tatanong nila kung available.
Hey, we're here eating. Pray mo kay Kuya, mga bang sa loob. Hey, we gotta take pictures upstairs.
It's hot in
To see
here.
more view. I know, they said it's hot. It's cold in Tagaytay. Why is it hot?
Feel like $1,000,000.
Okay, we're gonna go take. Okay, we're here now.
Kwenta doon? Itong mga to?
Kuya. We're done taking pictures. This is the view of Tagaytay right there. Very nice here. Come and visit. Yeah, we're waiting for our food.
Dito.
Taho.
Only giving half.
Many hours later.
Oh. Ni.
Puro gamit.
Ano to? Ano to?
Anong pinagawa po niya?
Oh my God.
Eh kasi po, may cabinet po dati doon sa
Daming
maliit na
gamit.
bodega. Kaya
Oo.
lang po, inanay na po.
Kaya lumipat dito.
Ininis po.
Saan siya matutulog pag ano?
Pinapalit.
Can Dad take us to the basketball court?
Mamaya. Yeah, we will. We will go to the market eh.
Why is it one sapato?
Oh no, you can go this way?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
Because we always keep the side one locked.
Oh, okay.
Saan si Mana? Let's go.
Yung Marty said she has Coke.
Owl and I were going up the center like it smells the same.
Before,
Oh, they changed the window, huh?
Even he is one.
Cranky one.
Look, this is the watch I put in the balangbayan. You want to see the washing machine over here? Outside?
And the dolphin.
The market. Market. Look at that. Oh, it's so hot in here. Excuse me. Oh, dried fish. Dried fish, dried fish. What do you think of the market, Alvin?
The same as before. Same thing.
Has it changed? Excuse me. Are you gonna buy fish? Anong binili mo? Anong binili mo? Korean?
Korean na pala yung pera.
Binili ako ng Korean si Manang.
I don't have any more money.
Anyong!
Maling 1,000 pala yan. Ako pareho.
Oh my God, you pay her out.
Punta ka ng Korea. Kanan nakapupunta eh.
Keep it. Anong binili mo?
Ito.
Sa atin na lahat yan.
Oo.
Marami na ba yan? Ang konti na may salutoan mo lang yan eh.
Ano pa magaling ko? Ano pa gusto mo ba?
Ayun, gusto ko yung malilit na yun.
Bilis? Okay, gawin mo naman 1,000. Ito. Thank you.
Okay, go. The other way. We're buying flowers for Mama P.
Urok?
That's oil, cooking oil. Ano?
This word.
Ano? Naiwan na yung asawa mo.
Hindi taga dito eh.
Nung una parang binalaan na kita. Pero bakit ba tigas sa ulo mo? Wala naman po akong masamang intention kay Giselle.
Ayun na siya. Okay. Ito na lang. Isa pa din. Ah. Oh, this one. Oh, here in small town is not danger. Oh, look at that chicken. No refrigeration required. Okay. Oh, barong. Oh, what's some barong? Ayan, may barong. By barong. The traditional. Barong, barong. This is the alley. It's Saturday, that's why they're closed. Most of them. They wanna take a day off. Ay, Diyos ko po. Para kami nagpunta ng sauna ng Korean. Wala ko yung daan dati. Ito. Ha? Is there a lock? No, this is Mama Del and that's Mama Lynn.
And then these two? They're in the bottom?
Yeah.
159. Hi,
Hi, Grandma.
Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Alis na kami. Padalaw na kami. How are you gonna close it?
I close it.
Are you gonna close it?
I'm done.
Okay, go na kayo. Go. Go. Penny, you can do it.
Wait, tawang. Go first. Now close it.
Okay, go na. You walk na.
As long as I get in here, so I come back. Alright, let's get you safe.
Good na. She's safe na.
You have a boat too? Boat have? Yeah, I think it is.
Okay. Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Bye.
Oh my God. You're breaking it. You're breaking it. Okay, let's go.
There's so many.
Let's go. Let's go. Ay, huwag na tawagin niya. No, don't call them. They may bite you. Hey, don't, pet them. Chay, that's the wrong one. Pero that's Lolo too. That's Lolo. Angelito sa respond. Here, this is my grandma. Ito, this one. Slide mo yung door. Sa kabila. Nanay Leoning. Yeah. My grandma and grandpa. Bye.
Tomorrow for sure.
We're here at Manila International Airport. We're at the lounge. Habay lounge for our. So we're eating before we go to our flight. And that's Nina right there. Hi Nina, hi Alwin.
I think it's like that. Is that good?
How long you been with Alwin?
An hour and a half.
Hello. We are now leaving here to board for back to States.
Why you came vlogging? You don't even post this stuff. We'll see you in 2 years before you
Philippines. Yeah. Coming back here too.
Ayaw mo ata. Hindi. Marami pa akong lalagay dito. Right now, it's only this side. See? The next time, dito naman sa kabila.
Just go to the Philippines Recepta too.
Yeah. I'm doing.
Okay. So we have to wait less than an hour I think to board here soon. Okay, peace. Okay, bye bye Philippines.